This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jill Thomas. Welcome to this fantastic vacant lot in the highly sought-after Sarasota, Florida. This property has already been cleared and is ready for you to build your dream home. It features a well, though electric service has not yet been installed in a number of years. Additionally, the home on the south side, situated on a double lot, is also available for purchase. MLS #A462091. Consider acquiring both properties to create a spacious and personalized living area. Located just minutes from the Legacy Trail, less than 7 miles from Siesta Key Beach and downtown Sarasota, and close to shopping, dining, and I-75, this lot offers both convenience and charm. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity.